Another blow for Donald Trump and his legal team.
And the former president is just days away from his first criminal trial after his lawyers failed to convince an appeals court judge that the case should be postponed. Here's ABC's Alexis Christoforous.
For the second time in less than 24 hours, an appeals court rejected a last-ditch attempt by Donald Trump to delay his criminal trial in Manhattan, where the former president is accused of falsifying business records related to a hush money payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. Trump denies the claims and has pleaded not guilty to all criminal charges against him. An appeals court denying Trump's request to postpone the trial so that he can challenge a partial gag order imposed by the presiding judge in the case, Juan Merchan. The order prevents Trump from attacking witnesses, jurors, prosecutors, and the families of the judge and Manhattan district attorney. Prosecutors telling the court Trump has had an uncontested history of denigrating remarks and that the office has had to increase security due to Trump's statements. Trump's lawyer arguing the gag order creates, quote, irreparable harm, preventing Trump from responding to attacks. The ruling coming just hours after an appeals court judge shot down the former president's request to delay the trial to move it to a venue outside of Manhattan, where Trump's lawyers had argued potential jurors are biased against him. Jury selection is set to begin Monday, making Trump the first former president to go on criminal trial. Potential jurors will be asked a series of questions.
It's not just the big picture ones, like have you been to a Trump rally? It's what media do you watch? Where do you get your information? There are going to be little subtle questions that are going to be able to tell these lawyers a lot about these prospective jurors. And that's going to be the most critical thing in this case.
Trump does face 3 other criminal trials, but it is yet to be seen whether or not those begin before the November election. The federal classified documents case out of Florida is set for May 20th, but a delay is likely. Alexis Christoforous, ABC News, New York.